Hello, this is Delmore here. Delmore, tell me about yourself.
So I'm in the medical profession and work for Johnson & Johnson. I'm one of the senior consultants here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I cover all the trauma line stuff here in Oklahoma. So we spend a good day out shooting some guns. So we got a 38, we got a Glock 40, we got a G3 9mm here, brand new.
Wow.
Nice set-off shotgun. We got a AR-15 assault side rifle. This one is a 223. And over here is my baby. This one here is a 5.56 AR-15 style.